Labor Day tradition and air show that entertains crowds while helping Nebraska kids who are dealing with life-threatening conditions at the same time. New tonight, Colin Ruane shows us the high-flying action.
Through all the oohs and ahs, spectators were able to enjoy an annual Labor Day tradition.
We just love checking out the planes. We live in the area. My dad actually flies them a lot, so it's something free to do with the family, and they seem to really enjoy it.
Enjoyment that could be seen throughout the crowd. Now in its 37th year, the Omahawks RC Flying Club hosted its annual Labor Day Air Show Monday, drawing hundreds of enthusiasts, even if we didn't deal with ideal flying conditions.
I think the wind bothers the pilots more than it does the crowd. They kind of enjoy the breeze.
Today, I'm really impressed that they're flying in all this wind. If you come down here with any sort of regularity, they normally have to fly in really calm conditions. So the pilots that you're seeing today are really, really talented.
Christine Hendricks came with her family to enjoy the show for another year. While the event is free for all to attend, it's still work to raise money for a good cause. Through concessions, prizes, and raffles, the show helps raise thousands of dollars for Make-A-Wish Nebraska.
If we can help send one family to Disney World or help one kid go score a touchdown at the Husker spring game, that's good reason to be out here.
While most came to enjoy the show, others say it's nice to see something good come out of it.
We're happy to contribute in whatever way we can.
And really hard to find anyone who didn't have a reason to smile today. Organizers tell me attendance was pretty typical. Their estimate puts it between 1,200 and 1,400 guests in total. Mallory?
A lot of very happy kids out there, Colin.